Just look at these fruits as well as the thickness of the malai. Hey guys, this is your Chetan and welcome back to the new vlog. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I've dropped down to Mosque Road in Frasertown. So the exact location will be mentioned in the description. The place where I have dropped down is the Grand Hyderabad Biryani restaurant. I had done a shoot long back in Frasertown, a restaurant name called Alzara Mandi. I'll be mentioning that link in the I button. So the same restaurant owners have opened this restaurant, the Grand. There actually you'll be finding Arabic style biryani, but here you're gonna be finding Hyderabadi style biryani. So let's go inside and check out. Leaving Hyderabadi style biryani, what is so special of the Grand Hyderabadi restaurant? Here is Mr. Wajid, he is the owner of the Grand. So Wajid, ಎಷ್ಟು ತಿಂಗಳಾಯ್ತು ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿ?
2 ತಿಂಗಳಾಯ್ತು.
2 months. Okay. ಹೈದರಾಬಾದಿ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೇನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಇದೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ರಂಜಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲೀಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ತುಂಬ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ರಂಜಾನಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಮಂದಿ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ಅವರು. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು 8 ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತಂದೂರಿ ಐಟಮ್ಸು ಇದೆ? ತಂದೂರಿ, ನಾನ್, ಕುಲ್ಚಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಗ್ರೇವೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ನೀವು ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ಹೈದರಾಬಾದಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಥರ ಮಟನ್, ಚಿಕನ್, ಮಟನ್, ಚಿಕನ್, ಫಿಶ್, ಪ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. Oh, 4 types of biryani. All 4 types of biryani Hyderabadi style. Hyderabad style. Okay. Starters ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕನ್ 355, ಮೆಜೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್. ಓಕೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕನ್ ಇದೆ ಚಿಕನಲ್ಲಿ. ಮಟನಲ್ಲಿ ತವಾ ಫ್ರೈ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪ್ರಾನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ತವಾ ಪ್ರಾನ್ಸು. ಓಕೆ. ಪ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಮೆಜೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಿಶಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪೋಲೋ ಫಿಶ್ ನೀವು ಫ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಪೋಲೋ ಫಿಶ್ ತುಂಬ ಸೂಪರ್ ಫಿಶ್. ಓಕೆ. ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಶಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದೆ ಈ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ ವೆರೈಟೀಸು, ಆದರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸ್ವಿಗ್ಗಿ ಝೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ಇದೆ? ಸ್ವಿಗ್ಗಿ ಝೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ಇದೆ. Anyhow guys, let's go inside and taste some food. Guys, here is Apollo fish, the starter. So on top you can see lot of green chilies, curry leaves, as well as Guntur chili is being used. Let me taste this out. They have given toothpick. They have used corn flour for outside coating. It's really very hot, slightly crisp. The corn flour thickness is not so high. The fish is really very soft, slightly spiciness. That's because of chilies, and they have used finely chopped garlic also. The garlic has got stick to this corn flour. Just look at this. But this Apollo fish is tasting out really great, and slightly they have used oregano as well as pepper also. If they would have salted even more, this would have gone completely dry. It would have tasted even more good. Whatever the spices they have used for this Apollo fish, the spices has got completely stick to the corn flour. Especially for winter climate, this dish is amazing. I personally recommend you people to try this starter. Just look at this. The masala has entered to the meat so well. They have left for a marination for a quite long period of time. Guys, and one more important thing. If you need to customize this Apollo fish, they can customize for you people. The way they have prepared this starter, it's in next level. It's exactly tasting something like a fish Manchurian. Guys, this is called as chicken 555. So on top I can see some chili flakes and finely chopped garlic which is being used, and even chilies, green chilies as well as red chilies, and even I can see lot of cashews also. So let me try this out. It's really very hot. Even in this, the outer layer, they have used slightly corn flour They have done oil fried. Then they have used all the spices as well as sauce. They have salted well. So according to me, this is dragon chicken, but they call it as chicken 555 over here. But whatever the sauces they have used for this, it's a bit spicy. Slightly sweetness is also there at last. Crispiness is there, as I told you before. Pepper is being used. Chili flakes is being used. And I feel that they have used Szechuan sauce for this, and as well as tomato ketchup also. The cashews has been done oil fry first, then they have put it in this. Taste wise, amazing. Chicken is very tender and they have marinated this for a very long period of time. They have not given the fork today. Just look at this. Inside the meat, the masala has been entered well. And even this is tasting something like a chicken Manchurian, but spiciness is a bit high. And one more important point, this is a boneless chicken. Slightly tanginess is there because while marinating they have used curd and lemon. After a long wait, finally one more set of mutton biryani they prepared for us. And see the quantity, guys. This is special Hyderabadi mutton biryani. This quantity almost a family can eat. Family in the sense aram se 3 persons can eat. On top, this whatever the red color pieces you can see, this is chicken, and one full egg. They have made it half. Let me serve this in plate and then catch you out, people. They have used basmati rice and they have used saffron because the aroma of this biryani is in next level, guys. And slightly cardamom and cinnamon flavor smell is also there. It is so damn hot. I have to leave it this at least for 2 minutes to get completely set, then taste it out. I gave a proper mix because the masala was in one place itself, completely stuck. And I can see some tomato, and I can see some finely chopped onions and even fried onions also. And ghee aroma is also there in this biryani. First bite and the expectational bite, and the two, the one which I love the most is Muslim's mutton biryani. It is really hot. Spiciness is bit more. As I told you, they have used cinnamon, cardamom, fennel seeds also for digestion purpose as well as for flavor purpose for both. Weekly once, if I eat this type of biryani with this quantity, of course, whatever the size you can see now, I'll be double of this. Just look at this mutton piece also. The way they cook, it's gonna be in the next level, guys. They have used pepper, they have used garam masala and slightly coriander powder also. Let me keep a piece of mutton in this rice and try this out. Once you keep the rice and mutton, the aroma is getting filled inside the mouth also because of the smoky hotness. With this mutton biryani, they are going to be giving this mirchi ka salna as well as raita. So raita, not in this climate, not in any climate, not just in this climate. So let me try this mirchi ka salna. I hope this won't be spicy. If you feel that biryani is not spicy, then you can put this. They give this also. And when it comes to Hyderabadi biryani, they give this bengan ka salna also. So even that will be a very good combination. Even this is a good combination. If you feel that biryani is a bit dry, then you can put this. Or if you feel that biryani is not spicy, then also you can use this. Anyhow, guys, I'll just finish this food, then catch you up. Guys, I have got a huge number of desserts, I can say, that too in a Hyderabadi restaurant. They have given Arabic sweets also, as well as
Hyderabadi special also. So this is Omani, Kubani, and this is Rabdi, and one more is Haji Ali Sitafal Cream. Such a big name. Okay, from which one I need to start? Let me start with this one. Rest 3, let it go to side. This is Omani, this is a Hyderabadi special, and in this they have used apricot. So let me taste this out. It's cold and the apricot fruit is tasting really good. Slightly they have used jaggery in this. Jaggery taste is there, and even elaichi. And guys, whatever the puree you can see, the thickness, they have grinded this apricot and they have poured in this, and leaving that you can find apricot fruit also. Slightly sweetness is more, but taste wise amazing. They have completely boiled this puree, then they have poured in this fruit, and then they have frozen it. But taste wise amazing, guys. This is an authentic Hyderabadi dessert. This is Kubani ka meeta on top. It's creamy, and downside the yellowish is custard. So let me take this. Just look at this. It's so thick, the custard is. And they have put some fruits also. The fruits are tasting amazing with this custard. The sweetness is not so high. And one more thing, guys, the malai is being used in this cream, in between cream and custard. The taste is really good. Coming to the fruits, they have used pineapple, apple, and bit of pomegranate. Just look at this fruits as well as the thickness of the malai. After eating some spicy food, these desserts are something must and should. Here comes up with Shimla Rabdi. The Rabdi thickness is just amazing. Just look at the thickness on top. They have put some saffron and almonds also. Let me taste this out. The sweetness is not so high. The taste wise amazing. The rabdi is really very soft. Slightly crispiness of the almonds is in next level. Slightly elaichi is being used in this. Taste wise really good, guys. You people have to come down here only for desserts. You will be so satisfied, because all these desserts, either you will find in Ramzan time or else in Muslim marriages itself. Most of the time you don't find, but here 365 days you will be finding all these kinds of desserts. The last and the final dessert, this is Haji Ali Sitafal. So in this, Sitafal pulp will be used. Just look at this, and just look at this thickness of the cream. Wow, amazing. Let me taste this out. The chillness, the cream thickness, and the pulpy sitafal, it's giving a next level of taste. The sweetness is also not so high. The creamy flavor is really good. And this has to be cold when we are trying this. If this is in a normal temperature also, it's waste. You don't enjoy that. If it's a bit cold, then it will exactly taste like a sitafal ice cream itself. Guys, finally my lunch is done. They do have a huge number of starters as well as different types of biryani, but I just took which is recommended from the restaurant side and which is most selling dish in this restaurant. The starters, whichever this restaurant recommended me, I bought both the starters, Apollo fish as well as this chicken 555. Both were amazing. The taste wise as well as the quantity wise also, it was really great. But I personally took half quantity because I'm the only one person who is going to be eating today. So the biryani quantity Of course, I could not make it half. I took full quantity itself, but I could not finish the biryani. I'm gonna be taking it parcel. Biryani taste, trust me guys, it's a proper authentic Hyderabadi biryani, I can say. Coming to desserts, I liked all the 4 desserts. I personally recommend you people to try all the 4 desserts, especially this Haji Ali Sitafal cream, such a big name. That is so was in next level, and this is like not season of Sitafal, but still they are maintaining some pulp of Sitafal and they are preparing that dessert. That's amazing, and the quality and the quantity is also really great. Price wise, I felt it's okay, budget friendly, but I'll be mentioning the location as well as price in the description part. Anyhow guys, if you people like this vlog, please do like, share and comment. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.